Out of everything you could be doing, why do you choose to help the newbies sell on Amazon?
I think the reason I love working with people who want to start the business is because I love seeing people have that freedom. I think that current environment that we live in the United States as a capitalist society doesn't value the worker enough. I have some very strong feelings about that. I'm a capitalist at heart, but I also believe that everyone has that ability to set their own future, their own roadmap, and set themselves free. And those people that want to unplug, that want to create their own wealth and their own freedom, I have a passion for helping those people. We are also learning while we're teaching, and it's very fulfilling when I see students who have a lot of success and who start from scratch and have a product and I can see those sales numbers and those profitability numbers and then eventually sell their business for millions of dollars.